Making dinner fun. An evening of cooking and dining. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to bring the kitchen to our English class. We'll be focusing on the process of preparing a meal, a common evening leisure activity. This will help you to build your English vocabulary, while also making you a master in describing everyday tasks. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking with English. When preparing a meal, it's important to familiarize yourself with the names of kitchen tools and ingredients we commonly use. For example, pot, pan, spatula, oven are some of the tools. Similarly, ingredients might include words like onion, garlic, tomatoes, chicken, and so on. By learning these words, you'll be able to better explain the process of cooking a meal. Once we know the words for our tools and ingredients, we can start to describe the cooking process. This involves using verbs like chop, stir, boil, bake, fry, and grill. For instance, you might say, first, I chop the onions. Then, I fry them in a pan. We can also use adverbs to add more detail to our actions, such as carefully, slowly, quickly, or finely. For example, I carefully chop the onions, or I slowly stir the soup. In cooking, sequence matters. So, we use words like first, then, next, after that, and finally, to describe the order of steps. For example, first, I boil the water. Then, I add the pasta. Finally, I drain the pasta. We can also use conjunctions like while, as, and until to show simultaneous actions or to indicate when an action should stop. For example, cook the onions until they are golden brown, or stir the sauce while boiling the pasta. Finally, don't forget to share your feelings and impressions about the meal you've prepared. Did you find it easy or hard? Was it delicious or needs more salt? For example, I enjoyed preparing the pasta. It was easy and fun. The final result was delicious. There you have it, my friends. I hope this lesson helps you to describe the process of preparing a meal. Keep practicing these phrases and soon you'll be able to discuss your evening cooking experiences in English with ease. Happy cooking, and even happier learning. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.